today's video, guys, I'm doing a get ready with me today. I am doing a full face of makeup of the day, hair of the day, and also outfit of the day. Let's get ready today. Oh my god, that rhymed. I love that. I'm so corny. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new here. And of course, make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get ready. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get ready. I am gonna go ahead and start off with these two products that I got in Amazon. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna do an Amazon video because I have so many great products that I want to share with you guys from Amazon. So this was actually a Amazon purchase, and these are the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So I first start off with this one. This one's like the little serum, and as you guys can tell, it's like super runny. Like the texture of it, it feels kind of like, first of all, it makes my skin feel so good, and I'm just like literally pressing it onto the skin. It just makes my skin feel super hydrated, and I don't know, but I feel like this is kind of helping my skin. I mean, I got all kinds of like skin issues, like the texture of it. Did you guys see? Look at how slimy and like sticky it is. It's the Snail Mucin. Ugh. So yeah, at first I was like, oh no, I don't like this. This is gross. But actually, this, it does not have any scent. But the way that it makes my skin feel, I like. I like that part of it. And I just like how my makeup looks with this underneath it. It just feels so good. So I go in with this. And then after that, then I go in with the cream. And this cream also, it's really good. It's like sticky to look. It looks like slime. Do you guys see the texture of this? Yeah, that's how it is. But it makes my skin, and you just need a little tiny bit. Look at this. It looks like something else, if you know what I mean. Anywho, you just need a little tiny bit. Look how sticky and gooey this is. Oh. But anyways, yeah, bitch, did this just go in my fucking mouth? Hold the fuck up. Well, it did get in my mouth, and I went to go wash on my mouth. That I don't like. The taste of this, no ma'am. Anyhow, so yeah, it just makes my skin super glowy. Do you guys like see that? And it just feels super hydrated and like moist, because we are kind of like in the winter time, and my skin is like combo, so it's more on the drier side right now. But anyhow, after I do that, then I'm gonna go in with this. I finally got my hands on it, and I was like, what's the hype about this? But it does give you like a glow, like a really nice glow to the skin. This one's the e.l.f. one. The Charlotte Tilbury one, I decided not to purchase that and just skip it and just get the dupe. Get the dupe. And I just like to apply a little bit of it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna disperse this with my, where is it? With my brush, this one from Lux or Lexi. I forgot what this brand is. Okay, so then I go in with that. I'm done. And for today, guys, I've been really loving this foundation. I actually bought a few. So these are my newest foundations. The House Labs, the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I also bought the Mario one. I was old to this one. I really jumped onto this super late. So yeah, I have these three foundations are the ones that I've purchased this year so far. And out of all of these, I love my NARS one. I don't know, something about like how it leaves the skin and like the consistency of it, I love. And I got mine in the shade named Fiji. And it has a little pump, so I'll just like add a few little pumps to my hand, and then I'll go in with my finger and start dotting it in, and then I'll start buffing it with the same brush that I used for the e.l.f. Glow, and just start to evenly buff it into my skin. Voila! The foundation is did. Do you guys see like the glow that I have like underneath. Do you guys see that? I really like these nail products, guys. And that e.l.f. glow also did help. So then up next after that, then what I'll do is I'll go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this onto my under eye. And I'm fairly new to this product as well, guys. This product has been out forever. So now what I want to try out is the Hourglass one, because I feel like that one is like hyped up right now. So I want to try it out to see if that concealer is actually very, very good as well. I like this one. Like the consistency of it is just perfect. It's like super like creamy, and I really like that. So I'm gonna let my concealer kind of like stay on there for a little bit just while I blend out my... Oh, girl, I was about to get the mascara. I am not trying to put mascara on. I confuse these two components, but this one's the bronze stick. This one's the mascara. Don't they almost look the same? So I'm like, wait, I got the mascara one, not that one. Anyhow, so this one's the LYS bronze stick, and this one is in the shade called Harmony. I got this one on my Ipsy Charm box. And it's super creamy, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it just to warm up the face like that. I will also put some down my nose. Not me with the crooked nose. It's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it, something like that. And I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it upwards. So we want to lift the face. Since gravity keeps pulling it down, we are trying to lift it. So then I'm gonna buff this into my hairline, just pulling it up. What an instant lift that is. Okay, y luego, then what I'm gonna do is I am going to add my blush. We still have the concealer there, but we're gonna blend it out in a little bit. So then I will go in with my Rare Beauty blush and add 3 little dots, like, because this shit is super, super pigmented. Oh my god, I remember the first time I tried it. It was a mess. I hated it until I learned how to use it. So then I'm gonna go with this little stippling brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. And it's gonna go all the way up to my temples. And then I'm gonna take my little beauty blender like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. Tap it in, blend, blend, blend. Ta-da! That's how it looks. Then I am going, oh fudge, breaking shit over here. Then I am gonna go in with my Prism Libre little powder, and it is the pink one. I think it's Violet Rose, or I don't know the name of this. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with my little fluffy brush. And then what I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. Guys, I have been using this brow serum because I did not have like I've never had full eyebrows. Honestly, my eyebrows have always kind of been like this and patchy. So yeah, I started using this ABH brow serum, and I noticed the difference. My brows got like a super like more thicker. I feel like they got like more like voluminous, like they were never like this. So now I'm actually able to create like a actual fluffy brow look. But to help that out, I do use my NYX. I actually just bought a new one because I go through these every single month. So this is called the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and it has a super, super fine little puntita, like a little tip like that. And it leaves like little hair brow strokes, kind of like that. And I get mine in the shade called Brunette. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and create my little fluffy brow with using this NYX pen. I love this one. If you guys haven't tried it and you have little thin eyebrows that are out of shape, get you this. Brows are did. So then up next, what I'm going to do I need to do my lips because I feel a little dead. And I'm just going to use this lip liner. I don't know what brand it is, but I love this color. Damn, I still got the setting powder on my hand. So silky, soft, and smooth. I love it. But anyhow, I'm going to use this lip liner that I have in my vanity. I think I got it in my BoxyCharm. So I did just outline my lip. But on top of that, I'm going to be using my GIF liquid lipstick. I think this one, yeah, the shade is called Tomboy. I got it in my BoxyCharm as well. I love the formula of this. It's so super soft and buttery. It just glides on super, super easy. It's super pigmented. It lasts for hours. It's like super long wearing. And it smells like cupcakes. It literally does. It smells so good. And we're going to kind of mute this color down a little. Hoola by Benefit is one of my favorite ones. I've been using this shit for fucking years. It's such an oldie, but it's a goodie, and it will never be out of my collection. So I'm just going to use this little fluffy brush. I'm just going to apply a little bit of it and tap out the excess. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lightly put some on my nose. Like that. Just a little bit, just to, you know, define the snubby nose that I have. And then just kind of fluff it into the eyebrows. Like that. And then I also like to use Hoola for my crease of my eyes. So then I'll just go in with Hoola and just buff it into my crease. And then what I'll do is I'll take my IT Cosmetics eyeshadow stick. I don't know the shade, but it's like the white one, like the white pearl. It's such a pretty, pretty color. Do you guys see that? And then I'll just go in with my little stick, and then I'll just put this on my eyelid, kind of like a little cut crease. And I'm so low on this. I think I need to buy a new one. But anyways, it looks like I tried when I really didn't. Oh shit, it's patchy right here. Cover up the patch. Light it. I forgot to record this part, but I also did go in with the Essence Silky Nude, I think is the color. It's the number 6, and it is like a nude eyeliner. It's super pigmented and buttery. I just want my eyes to look like more awake, you know. Yeah, I go through these super quickly as well. I get these at Ulta. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my eyelashes. These are actually brown eyelashes, and I really like that because it makes my eyes look a little lighter. They are actually kind of like hazel. Depending on what I wear, they kind of change color. Sometimes they look darker. Sometimes they look super, super lighter. Sometimes they look green. So yeah, I use the brown eyelashes. These I got on Amazon. They are from Appeal or Pleo. I don't know what the name is, but I will link them down below. They are brown, and it comes with a pack of 9 pair of eyelashes. And I like the band because it's not super, super thick and heavy. And then the pestañita, do you guys see how pretty they are? Look how pretty they are. But the pestañita is like super like curled. So it looks like you have like, ¿cómo se dice? Extension lashes. And I'm going to be using my Duo Glue, is my favorite fave. Okay, so I think the lash is ready to go. And let's pop her in. So eyelashes are in. I went ahead and I added a little tail to my little thing right here. ¿Cómo se dice? I cannot speak or think. So I went ahead and I added a little tail to my eye, like a little wing, just to mesh in and blend out this little eyelash. And guys, I'm using this NYX eyebrow product as a eyeliner because I love the tip of how fine it is. It's so good, and it's like a dark brown brunette color. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown, with my Bobbi Brown highlighter, because although I do have a lot of texture on my skin, I do like me some glow, some extra glow. My skin feels so good too, by the way, you guys. Like, it feels like very nice and moistured, and hydrated and all the above. This highlighter, it's not going to give you like a beaming glow. It's just like a little tiny glow, if you know what I mean. I don't want a super blinding highlight either, but just a tiny bit of a shine and sparkle. And then I'll just put some on top over here like that. And then I'm just going to top it off with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Let it marinate into the skin. Just feels so good. Additional rehydration, refreshing. Soak it all in. We need it. We love it. Yes. Okay. On to the next, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do the hair. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and wrap up today's video. So here's the full face of makeup. I just love how my skin feels so freaking good. And here is the hair of the day. I went ahead and I just like literally straightened it and then just kind of gave it like a swoop here at the bottom, just giving it like that 90s like sleek look, if you know what I mean. I also did my part like kind of like a zigzag going this way. Yeah, so I love how my hair came out. I love how the makeup of the day came out as well. And here's the outfit of the day. I went ahead and I just put on some little Taz shoes because it's kind of chilly out there. I'm still kind of sick, of course, you guys can hear it, but I already do feel so much better just by, you know, getting ready and not looking so fodonga. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next Get Ready With Me. Bye.